In this video, I will be explaining how to perform corneal suturing. I will start with how to pass the suture. On top of the screen, you will see the needle I prefer to use. I scoop the tissue edge with 0.12 tissue forceps and I start engaging the needle. Once I pierce the tissue, I will rotate my wrist, as you can see, and make the needle tip horizontal. Then I rotate up more and keep holding the tissue edge. Then I will scoop the second edge of the tissue to engage the needle at the appropriate depth. And then once I engage the tip, I start rotating my wrist to exit the incision. And then I start pulling my needle. You can gently pull the needle tip until you reach the midpoint, which you can hold at. You can also twist the needle holder for better needle grip. Keep pulling towards your left hand side, and you can use the second instrument to keep your short end on focus. Useful tip here, continue pulling until the short end is about 1 corneal diameter, and get ready to hold the suture away from the knot, also 1 corneal diameter. Now we will perform forehand suture. Tip down, engage the tissue, tip horizontally, exit the first edge of the tissue, hold the second edge, tip down one more time, horizontally, and then rotate your wrist. A gentle pull here, and then you hold the needle at the midpoint. Keep pulling towards your left hand side. Another backhand suture. Hold the tissue edge, tip down, rotate your wrist to bring the tip horizontally. In part 2 of this video, I will explain how to tie the knot using slip knot technique. Here you will find some tips that may be helpful. Please subscribe and share for more surgical videos like this. Thank you.